This is two short-billed Corellas, and that one there, which just flew off, and it just came back. He's inspecting a hollow for a branch for a nesting site. These Australian parrots nest in hollow trees, or hollows within trees, I should say. And it looks like we've got a breeding pair here, and it is breeding time. I guess couples do get excited when they're moving into a new home, so can't blame this one for being all aflutter. That one there looks like the male, the crest is slightly larger, and that one possibly the female. I can't be sure on that. But anyway, Aussie birds rock. Beautiful. See you later.